Hello, this is World History Vocab Video 1. This video covers some key terms that we use to track the passage of time. First up, chronology. A chronology is a list of events arranged in the order that the events took place. A good chronology includes the time or the date that each event happened. So if I wanted to make a chronology of important events in Barack Obama's political career, it could look like this. November 5th, 1996. Barack Obama was elected to the state senate in Illinois. July 27, 2004. Barack Obama gave the keynote speech at the Democratic National Convention. November 2, 2004. Barack Obama was elected to the United States Senate as a senator from Illinois. August 28, 2008. Barack Obama accepted the Democratic Party's nomination for President of the United States. November 4, 2008. Barack Obama defeated Senator John McCain in the presidential election. January 20, 2009. Barack Obama was sworn in as the 44th President of the United States. As often as you can, you should include a specific year that an event occurred in your chronology. Different cultures keep track of the years in different ways, but there are a few commonly used terms that you should be familiar with. The rest of this video will cover these terms. In the United States, we use the calendar system that keeps track of the years with the abbreviation AD. AD stands for Anno Domini, which is a Latin phrase that means Year of Our Lord. Christians in Europe developed this calendar based on the approximate birth year of Jesus of Nazareth. They had to guess since there weren't any birth certificates or other specific records left behind. And today we think that they guessed wrong by a couple of years, but no one wanted to go back and renumber all of the years, so we just stick with what we have. We all know how AD works because we use it every day. Right now, it's the year 2012. When 2012 is over, we add 1 to the year, and the new year will be 2013. The larger the number of the year in AD, the later it is. This calendar spread all over the world, and many societies use it today, even if they aren't Christian. After a while, some people decided that it wasn't a good idea to keep using a phrase that meant Year of Our Lord, because Jesus of Nazareth wasn't their Lord. So writers developed the term CE, which stands for Common Era. You can use CE instead of AD. They mean the same thing. Since the AD system only covers the last 2012 years, we need a system for keeping track of all the years before 1 AD. The most popular method is to refer to all years before 1 AD as part of the BC period. Just like AD, the term BC refers to Jesus of Nazareth. In this case, the term stands for before Christ. BC is different from AD. It goes backwards, like a countdown. In a countdown, the bigger numbers come before the smaller numbers. BC works the same way. The year 10 BC happened before the year 9 BC, which happened before the year 8 BC, and so on. So when you make a chronology that uses years from the BC period, put the bigger numbers first. Just like with AD, there are some people who want to use the numbers from the BC system, but they don't want to use the title Christ. So some writers use the term BCE, which stands for Before Common Era. The numbers are the same, so the year 100 BC is the same as the year 100 BCE. Before we wrap up, here's a quick review of the vocab terms from this video. Chronology, a list of events arranged in the order that they occurred. It should include dates whenever possible. AD, the system that we currently use to keep track of years. It stands for Anno Domini, or the Year of Our Lord. CE, another name for the current system of numbering years. It stands for Common Era. BC, the system that we currently use for keeping track of the years before 1 AD. This numbering system goes backwards, so earlier years have a larger number. BC stands for Before Christ. BCE, another way to refer to the years before 1 CE. It stands for Before Common Era. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.